Good morning, children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. Previous class you learned for time. That one continue for today now. Clock is having for 1, 2, 3 hands. So here short hand, this one long hand, this one minute hand. So short hand shows for hours. Long hand shows for minutes. This one red color and this one is seconds hand. So here, see here the short hand shows hour and long hand shows minute and red color and it shows for second hand. Okay children, this is the clock. Clock is having the numbers from 1 to 12. So this 3 hands is rotating and you get the time. I give an example now. You go to school. What is the time you wake up? Then how to go in your school? Which time you go to start in your home to school? That one given now. Timing. I ask some questions. This clock helps to know and find out the time. Yes children, this one clock is used to help for find out the time. Okay. This is in your book exercise. Book exercise number 5.3. Answer the following. First one. When would you leave for school from home? What is the time to start to go to school? You say example given here. 8:10 only you start to leave from home. Leave from home. Shall go to school for start the timing is 8:10. The next one. When would you reach your school? What time you reach the school? I say now example only 8:30. 8:30 you reach the school. Then next one question. How much does it take for you reach the school? So first you start the timing for in your home 8:10. 8:10 only you get up ready and start to move in your school. So you reach the time for 8:30. So how long time you take to walk or go in your traveling time? So how much you find out? 8:30 to 8:10 subtracted and get for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 20 minutes. How much time you taken to? The next one. If you delay by 10 minutes, when would you reach the school time? So already I say here reach the time for 8:30, but here 10 minutes delay is saying here. So you find out now added for 10 minutes. So 8:30 plus 10 you add now 30 plus 10 40. So 8:30 only you reach the school, but here 10 minutes delay for 8:40. Then if you leave it by 5 minutes, when would you reach the school? So before 5 minutes you reach the school. Already I am saying here reach the time for 8:30, but here saying for 5 minutes fast. Here 5 minutes delay, but here 5 minutes before. So 8:30 before 5 minutes, 8:25. 8:25. The next one. If Ravi reaches school by 8:30 a.m. and if Prabhu reach the school after 30 minutes, when did Prabhu reach the school? Here asking one question for you. Ravi reached school for 8:30 and if Prabhu reaches school after 30 minutes, When did Prabhu reach the school? So 8:30 plus 30 minutes you added now. So you get for 9 o'clock. So Prabhu reached the time is 9 o'clock. You understand this concept, children? This one timing I noted here only for example, or use you anyone time. This one for in your book exercise. You understand the concept for time. So this one exercise 5.3. Okay, children? Shall I move now next one? This one Roman letter B. How long will it take the hours and to move from? So first one from. This one timing you find out now. Here short and this one long and. So now time for 9 o'clock. Here short and 6, 12. So this one is here 6 o'clock. 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock. How many hours is moving for the and for our and? That one you calculate and find out the answer. I show now. This is the clock here. So starting time is 9 o'clock. So up to 6 o'clock, how many times is this hour and is moving? Count it now. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So this is time is here given here. So 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock. How many times moving now? So starting time is 9 o'clock. Starting time for 9 o'clock. Then start and count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 hours. This one taken to move for 9 hours. HOURS hours. This is the answer. The next one find out now. Time is given here. Second one. This is time for 10 o'clock. Then move for 8 o'clock. Then don't say for backward. This hour and is move for 10 after 11 only. Don't move for reverse and write this answer. This is the wrong answer. Only you say for shows the time for 10 o'clock. Then you move for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here shows for here 8 o'clock. So how many times? 10 hours. This one taken for 10 hours. Okay, children. The next one ready to say now. So first hours is starting from 5 o'clock. So move the and for 3 o'clock. So here show the ands for 5 o'clock. But don't say here this model. Only clock is rotating after. Okay, this is the way to rotate. Only circle model. Don't circle for anti-clockwise. This is saying here clockwise. So first time is 5 o'clock hours. Showing here 5 o'clock. Then till stop for 3 o'clock. So start count now. 5. Count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 hours. This and is moving for 10 hours. Okay, you understand the concept, children? Then next one, unit 6, information processing. Information means you know the data. I ask now, how many students studying in a 4th standard? So you ready to say the answer is number of students or number of boys or number of girls. That is anyone information you form for before anyone asks the question. யாராச்சும் உங்களை கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கும்போது அதுக்கு தேவையான டீட்டெயில்ஸ் நம்ம சொல்கிறோம் பார்த்தீங்களா, அதுதான் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். ஸோ information processing, this is the unit 6 here given for, look here. So what you found out now? Here given for colors, red color, pink color, yellow color, green color. So I ask question, what do you see? You ready to say the answer for colors? 4 colors is given, miss. You say the answer. Yes, correct. Here say for red color, pink color, yellow color, green color. Yes, correct answer. Otherwise, I am saying now, easy to find out the picture, or I am showing the images. You look and watch. Your eyes is saying the information. What is that? அங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்றத உன்னுடைய கண்ணு பார்த்த உடனேயே என்ன இருக்கு சொல்லிட்டு அப்சர்வ் பண்ணிட்டு ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லுது பத்தியா உன்னுடைய மைண்டு. லிசனிங், systematic listening. Once your eyes look here and find out the words, what are the information given here. So that is, என்ன விஷயம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, என்ன விஷயம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, என்ன விஷயம் கேட்குறாங்க, என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு நம்மளுடைய ஐஸ் பார்த்த உடனே அதை ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணது இல்லையா. அவங்க கேட்ட உடனே அங்கே என்ன இருக்குது, கலர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறோம் பார்த்தியா. That is systematic listening. So first you identify the information. That is saying here processing, information processing. This is unit 6. In your book exercise given this one, systematic listening. Once your eyes look here and find out the details. What are the information given here? Okay children, you understand this concept? I give one example for in your book exercise. Use the numbers. Okay. This book exercise having for 4 number is given here, 5, 3, 7, 1. So here asking the question, how many 2-digit number can be created? Number is given for 4 numbers, but here asking for only 2-digit numbers. So I take now first one number, then remaining 3 numbers. So added and get 5, 3, 53, 5, 7, 57, 5, 1, 51. The next one, I take it out 3, then remaining number 5, 7, 1. So 3 here, 5, 7, 1. So you get now 5, 3, 5, 35. Here 53, this one 35. The next one 3, 7, 37, 3, 1, 31. Okay, this number is not repeating. Only different numbers only you get now. So this is order for your used to create for 2-digit number. You are asking 2-digit number. How many numbers possible to create? I show now 3 numbers, 5, 3, 7, 1. So these 4 numbers used to make for many. How many 2-digit numbers can be created? So first number I take now. Then join and write for 3, 7, 1. So 5, 3, 53, 5, 7, 57, 5, 1, 51. Then next I take now 3. Then next one 3, 5, 35, 3, 7, 37, 3, 1, 31. Then next one I take now 7. Then join and write for 7, 5, 75, 7, 3, 73, 7, 1, 71. Then next one 1 I take now, then remaining numbers 5, 3, 7. So 1, 5, 15, 1, 3, 13, 1, 7, 17. So here find out for how many numbers possible to write for 2-digit number. 53, 57, 51, 35, 37, 31, 75, 73, 71, 15, 13, 17. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally 12 numbers, 2-digit. So 12 numbers is created. Okay. You understand this concept, children? Then next one, One example and activity I give it to you. This one, find out all the possible ways of dress using 2 pant, 4 shirts. So here given for 4 kinds of shirts. Red color, pink color, green color, blue color. But given for grey color pant, blue color pant. So this 2 pant used for this 4 kinds of shirts, then you pair for how many possible ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the possible ways. So first one, red and grey, red and blue. Pink and grey, pink and blue. Green and grey, green and blue. Blue and grey, blue and blue. So this is the possible way of dresses. So how many possible ways? 8 kinds of pair. Okay, you get now 8 kinds of possible ways to wear the dress. So this is your real life usage of your dresses. You wear the dress for real life. You use to pair possible. Which one is a possible you like, that one used to apply in your life. Okay, this is called your information processing. Okay, you understand the concept, children? This one is here using for numbers. This one is using for the details, information about the detail. You pair this one. That is here saying for information means possible ways or systematic listening. Systematic listening. That is called for information processing. Okay, you understand the concept, children? Thank you.